Hello Sportyfriends users! In this video I will show you how to design your Sportyfriends page and make it more lively by adding a background picture, a logo and a sponsor. I will also show you how to add pages and a news. To add a background picture, you simply click on change background. Then you find a picture that you like and click done. You then do exactly the same for the logo. To add a sponsor, you click on the plus sign next to sponsors. Then you should upload a picture of your club's sponsor. Once you have done that, you fill out your name and the web page address. When members click on the picture of the sponsor, they will be taken straight to the web page. It is also super easy to add news to your page. You simply click on Add News, then you fill out the story you want to share with your members. You can organize your text and also add links and photos in your news. Once you click Publish, it will be shown to your members on your homepage. From there, you can easily share it to your social media platforms. You can also store it and it will be kept on the top of your page. Let's add some information about your club and make your homepage easy to navigate for your members. You click on the plus sign to make a page. You then name the page and then you write your text. My text is pre-written, so I'll just copy and paste it. I'll then add a picture to make it look nice. To add a sub-page, you click on the page you just created and then on the plus sign within the page. Then press Add Section. Here you can then add a text and some pictures to make it look nice. Once you click Save, you will see it as a drop-down in the menu. That was all for this video. I hope you liked it.